Hi everyone. So since yesterday we have been receiving a lot of speculations, doubts from the students regarding the recent SSA changes that have been made. So I want to clear two main things from this video. I hope it is helpful for you. And these are completely my point of view. I'm not targeting anybody. Everybody has their own points. The first thing is that every student need to realize that these changes are going to happen from September 2027, which is after 2 years. These changes are not going to apply right now. So if students are asking me, ma'am, I am done, I'm only left with my last ACCA level, so will I be qualified as an ACCA affiliate right now? Absolutely not in 2 years. After 2 years, when this transition has happened in September 27, that is when you will be called as an ACCA affiliate, not right now, right? That's the first thing. Second thing, a lot of people are now keeping their ACCA qualification aside, keeping their studies aside, they are now trying to find loopholes in the same. They're thinking, a lot of queries that I'm getting from students is, ma'am, I'm done with my skill level, I am left with my professional level. So what if by 2027 I only give 3 papers? I wouldn't have to give one more paper because now optional paper is only one after the recent transition. So shall I wait for 2 years? But guys, see, you as an ACCA student, your agenda, your priority is to complete your qualification as soon as you can and then find jobs relevant to that, right? Your agenda is not to find loopholes. Your agenda is not to look for something which will make your life easier. Of course it is going to make your life easier because you do not have to appear for that one paper, but think from the job perspective. Would you sacrifice your 2 years? Because of course if you go to job market and if you tell them that I am a student, I am not an affiliate, because right now you won't be an affiliate, you would be a student, they will not give you that opportunity which is going to come to an ACCA affiliate. So rather than waiting 2 years, I believe that you should do your ACCA qualification as soon as you can and not wait for the changes that are going to happen after 2 years, which is a huge time span. I hope this helps.